Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up age verification on your NGL account. So let's get started with the video. Make sure you have installed the latest version of NGL app in your device. Click on that and here you will get an option of get started. Tap on that. Post that Instagram will confirm your age. Here NGL will confirm your age. You have to select the age. Make sure that you are 18 plus. After selecting your date, click on continue. If you select any of the age that is lesser than 18 years old, it will not get confirmed. Post that you can complete the verification steps over here. You can complete all the on-screen instructions. Where do you want to use NGL? You can choose here. Click on continue. You can choose any of the username, whichever you want to choose. For example, I am choosing testing underscore 123. Continue. If you want to choose a profile picture, you can do that, or you can click on skip at the upper right corner. Wait for a few minutes until the process completed. So as you can see, the age verification has been completed and you have successfully created your NGL account. You can copy the link and share it. So this is how you can complete the age verification setup in your NGL account. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.